guys, welcome to my vlog. Yan guys, dito kami sa Polbon. Yan. Ay, honey. Say hi to them. Very nice here. Ayun. I-celebrate sila ng fiesta. Dami-daming mga binta dito guys. Kagabi sayawan dito. Kaso ayaw pumunta ni Habi kasi ano, hindi daw niya naranasan yung makipag-ate ng fiesta. Yan, ganda. Yan, marami nagtitinda. Yan, very nice jacket. Yan guys. Ayan may ano doon. Ang dami mga palaro guys. Yan. Fiesta dito sa Polbon. Yan, nagawa nila Habi. Yan, nung nakaraan, 1 week ago, inunan kami ng picture. Hindi ko na inaano guys. Whole Crotcher family. Pero ano, hindi kasama yung lahat ng kapatid ni Habi. Yung mga pamangkin, apo, ganun. Nasa picture. Yung sinulang yung nakapag-present. Yan guys. Yan, dami-daming tawa. Yan yung Polbon yan. Yan, daming mga binta bag. Yan guys. Mga project. 20. Wow, nice bag. Yan guys. Ang dami-daming mga tinda dito. Ang ganda mga pins, crayons. Ang ganda ng mga stuff nila binta. Yan guys. It's a hat. Ayan, very nice hat. Dami-dami mga paninda guys. Ayan, dito tayo sa Polbon. Mga binta, wololoy. Mga wololoy na paninda. Ayan guys. So, kagabi, dyan ang sayawan, kagabi, daming tao. Ayaw lang pumunta, dumaan kami, pero ayaw pumunta ni Habi. Kasi hindi raw niya naranasan yung ganyan makipagsayawan. At saka, alam mo na, si Habi, ano masyado yun, yung parang CR nila guys, dito. Yung CR nila. Para pag may taong gustong yan. Hi! Nandito yung friends natin. Hi! I'm good. Yan. Hi guys! You're done?
Yeah, found you.
Hi! Sam! We like the piece. What you want? What you want? Tell me. What? Come here. Let's go. Let's go. What you want? Okay, then we go. No, he wants something. Here. The son of my friend wants something, so I asked him what he wants. What you want?
Bouncy house.
Where? I there?
Yeah.
Oh, there's so many people. We cannot go there. No, you said no parking. No parking for us. Wow, so nice. Oh, very nice. Come, let's go. We said close already because no parking. If you have parking, we can go there. Now we cannot go. You said no parking. It's closed already. Nobody can go in. Yan. Yun kanina nag-alboroto. That we closed already. I said close already. No parking. Already 4 people. Okay, Sam, bye-bye. Bye-bye, Sam. Bye. Sam, I go there ng friend ko. Wow, so nice. So beautiful. Yeah. Honey, you buy this.
I was very hands down.
Which one?
Hands down.
This one?
Yeah.
Bobby like this. He like this. Oh, so cute. Yeah. That is for one yan, Han? This the one? This for one yan?
You just change the colors.
Change the face. Oh, nice cloth. Ang ganda dito guys, mamili. Ang ganda ng gamit. Oh. Ang ganda ng kulay. Ang hilig ko talaga sa pink. Yan. Honey, you ask how much?
What are we doing? Hey! No!
Wikit mo. Yan guys. May pasok pa kasi kami. Ayan. Babalik na tayo mamaya. Okay, bukas. We see here. Just see here.
Everyone's going there?
Yeah, he want to go there. But I said cannot because so many people. It's already closed. Hi! Ayan guys. Yan. Umikot lang kami guys. Parang inaano lang natin yung pag-celebrate ng Colbonians. Ayan o mga. We play here before.
Yeah.
The kid is very bigger. The one who play. Remember, we played there before. Your friend. Pag na ano ito yung ano nila. T-shirts rin. Ganda.
Airbrush tattoos.
Huh?
Yeah, airbrush.
Where?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, pen, tattoos. Oh, I like tattoos. Honey, I want tattoos.
I bet you do.
Huh?
I said, I bet you do.
Okay. Yan, magkatato tayo. Up to you, which nice. Yan guys. Yan, minimili tayo ng mga tattoo.
The little ones in the bottom are 7.
Honey, which one?
You want the little white one, or white and blue, or you can have any color
Yan,
you want.
magpapatato tayo guys.
You like the space flower.
Yeah, I like that. Eye of the tiger. The spider. Yan, $10.
Yeah, but it costs money.
I know, I need a tattoo though.
Guys, yung tattoo natin. Ang ganda.
Now that washes off.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. $9.
$9. Ang ganda ng tattoo, guys.
Yeah, I need the Superman $3.95.
Oh, you're doing an airbrush
Hubby
one?
also wants tattoo. So, ayan guys.
So you're gonna do the airbrush, the
Huh?
$7 airbrush one?
Airbrushan.
The one up
This one.
there. Okay.
Yeah. Ayan si Hubby din.
So that's
here.
9
Okay.
19.20 here. Here's your change for 2.
Yan guys. Si Hubby magpagawa ng tattoo rin. Yan yun sa atin sa mukha. Ganda.
And you can put that in your arm somewhere. This one lasts a little bit. There, that's fine. That works. Do you want it in black? Yeah.
How long that?
That'll wash off. This one will stay a little while.
Ah, okay.
What's the difference with color?
But I can do some color. I have to freehand it so it's red and blue otherwise, right? Isn't the letter red and the outside blue.
Ayan. Ang ganda-ganda ng mga ano, may spider, may ano, unicorn.
It don't hurt like a normal head.
No, it sure doesn't.
Yan yung grass. Ayan. Tatlo.
Freehand this part in because
Wow, it's cute.
I don't have a percentage.
It's amazing, huh? Yan guys.
A little powder on it that sets the paint. Your S is going to be backward in the mirror, of course. See the colors though?
Yep.
Okay.
That's good.
There you go. Thank
Wow, so fast. Thank you so much.
you. You're welcome.
Okay, bye-bye.
Yours is makeup though. You can sleep with it. It's when it gets wet. When you wash it, it's going to come off.
Okay, thank you. See, bye-bye.
All
In my
right.
YouTube channel. I have a YouTube channel.
Oh.
You're there later.
No.
What's your name again?
Judy.
Thank you so much, Judy. Bye-bye. Honey, I said that I have a YouTube channel. You're there. Yan guys. Alis na kami.
Can't stop at all.
So, yan guys. Maganda mamaya kasi may parid dito. May parid. Ang ganda-ganda. Ayan. Hello! Yung mga prints natin. Thank you for watching our video guys. See you in my next vlog. If you are new in our channel, subscribe, like, comment, and don't forget to click the bell button below para updated for the next video. Thank you. Love you guys.